Welcome. In front of me is an HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I'll show you how to put this device into Fastboot mode. And to get started, let's power off our device. Now once it turns off, you want to hold power key and the volume down, and you're gonna hold it for quite a while. So I'm just gonna kind of start this, and I advise you just to watch it, how I go about it, because it is not the typical recovery mode that you might have seen before. So when you start off, you want to hold power key and volume down, and you're going to hold it for basically almost the entire time. And right before you see once the HTC logo disappears for the second time around, you will let go of the power key and keep holding volume down. So let me show you what I mean by that. Power key, volume down, logo appears, keep holding, it will disappear after a couple of seconds. It will appear again for about a second and then disappear, at which point you will let go of the power key, and this will take you to the boot mode. Now once you see the boot mode, you can let go of the volume down as well. And in here, using volume keys, you want to select a recovery mode, as it's visible right here. Confirm it with power key. And this will take you to the recovery mode. So again, using volume keys, you want to select the third option, which is enter Fastboot mode. And again, confirm it with power key. And there we go. That is how you boot into the Fastboot mode. So once you're done with this mode, you can simply, again using volume keys and power key, confirm whatever is selected. You can select the Reboot System now. So it is selected already. So all I need to do is press power key. And this will leave Fastboot mode and take me back to the Android system. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.